GNCRC back here once again with another video. Hit that subscribe, like, and make sure you guys comment. So I don't have to tell you guys what I'm doing, and I'm doing something I don't really know what I'm doing. This is gonna be my course. Now, this is the way my plans are for this course to be run. So you got this area. I don't know where we're gonna enter. We're gonna climb up and go around right here, back down. You got two different ways you can come. You can come this way, or you can go this way, underneath. Come back around. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I hadn't made my mind up yet. Climb, go back down. You got an area right here where you'll be able to climb up and go back down. You can enter this way. It's kind of whatever you want to do. I got some rolls right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Come up with something pretty soon. I got several cans of the great stuff. I'm about to get busy. All right, guys, it is 2 days later, and this is what I have. I went and got some more foam so we can finish off these areas, but it just looked a complete mess.
It was at this moment he knew he f***ed up.
I forgot how much this foam actually expand. So I'm hoping this will work on this foam. I'm not sure. Got this off Amazon. I actually put a link in the description to this also. And I'm gonna try to cut this thing down so we can get it ready for the plaster cloth. Works good. All right, guys, I got a bunch of those areas shaved down. I got them somewhat like I want them. Still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with this over here yet. Still undecided. I had to clear a whole lot out of this area. So I got some areas I'm not really sure if I'm gonna add plaster. I think I'm gonna add plaster like in those areas. Like maybe in these areas, I'm kind of leave it like it is. And I like those, the way that's textured, so I'm gonna leave a lot of that like it is. Probably put a little plaster in these areas. Now on this side, I don't think I'm gonna do much plaster at all. I'm gonna kind of leave this like this is, shave it down a little bit more right here. And I think I'm gonna leave this like it is too, so it'll show those craters. And we're gonna get a little plaster on some of those areas. I'm definitely gonna leave this like it is.